Anybody who says you can get $150 for this item is absolutely bonkers. Why? Because we're scrapping it out for the gold. That's right. You can't really sell these. I've had this on quite a few different places and nobody's made any offers, so I tell you what, we're gonna scrap it out for that gold. And for all you guys that don't know, yeah, that's gold inside there. That's right, there's gold inside those pins and they're there to be had, so we're gonna take them. And this thing's been sitting around for too long, so it's gonna have a couple screws and we're gonna crack into it. Alright, so we got the screws all loosened up in here. I haven't actually been in one of these, and I haven't seen what's inside of it. But this is going to be some plastic. Everybody already knows that. There's nothing you can do about that. That's part of the game. So I'm anticipating there's going to be a board down there. You're going to see phone jack inside there, and for sure, that little cord is going to have some gold. But we got a couple screws, so we're going to take those guys off. Alright, so there's a couple cords connecting it here, and we're just going to clip-a-do these guys here and there. And this little black one here will come off. That's for sure. And this guy will just come out of the port. I do believe I can wiggle him out there, because there's more connections underneath the board here apparently. Yeah, there's gonna be a couple more boards in there, but hey, there might actually be a really cool board, nice little board going on in there for sure. There's gonna be some clamps that we're gonna get off of here, and we're gonna take this guy and we're gonna get it open for you guys. And yeah, these boards are gonna have a few different doodads on there and stuff, and we will check them out. So these boxes around these connectors basically just break off like a tin can. You literally grab the back of it and you peel it open, and they will just snap off, and they'll reveal the gold inside of there. That's right, there is gold. I know a lot of people pass it up. A lot of people don't think it exists, but it's there and it's for free, and we find it every day. And then for everybody who thinks that these connector ends are not worth mucking with in their time, I literally just looked at it. I swear, I just looked at it. I went to go hit record and it literally fell apart. So then you just take your little pliers here. I have some neat little bent ones, but you take your pliers there and you can literally just crack this plastic off of those pins, and it's going to come off of there. And especially if you have a screwdriver, if you get your little screwdriver in underneath there and just give her a little wiggle, they come off and then they go flying across your shop. No, you find them. But yeah, so then you just pull these pins out of this plastic. Again, these pins are going to be some of the easiest gold you were absolutely going to come across. I can't stress that enough in some of my videos. The gold is a little harder to acquire, but stuff like this, I tell you, it's easy because it is easy to get. Alright, so now we got this piece. That's right, this probably slides out. It looks like it slides out, so we give her a little shimmy jimmy and it comes out. I have no idea what it says or what it is, but it says silver on the board. That's right, it says silver. I don't know, it doesn't say gold. Why does it say silver? Well, we're gonna find out. We're gonna have to micro scrap this guy out. I bet there's gonna be a lot of little secrets inside of here. Super excited. I bet there's gonna be some gold pins for sure. Right, and so the big reveal. What did we get for taking apart 4 screws? Keep that in mind, it was only 4 screws we had to take out of that object people were throwing away. Well, look at that. That's right, this is gold. This is scrapper's paradise right here. So for all you guys that don't know, those pins are nice gold pins. I'll take my flush cutters because they don't go through the board, and I'll cut them off right there, and we'll take a look at them at the end of this episode. What else is there? There's that silver crystal oscillator. Everybody knows them. They're pretty readily identifiable. You'll see it right there. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and orientations, but I tell you what, we keep them. Why? Because they have some silver in there. They're a bugger to get into, but I tell you what, we keep them anyways. That's right. And for you guys, anybody new, all those legs represent a gold bond wire that goes to the center of this chip. That's right, so you count them up, 1, 2, 10, 20. I have no idea, but I tell you what, that's all free gold to me in Scrooge's world. And for all you new people, again, this is a BGA. It's called a ball grid array, and it's going to have a bunch of solder balls underneath instead of legs, but still, again, it's going to represent gold bond wires that go to the center of this chip. That's where all your hidden gold is. A lot of you guys will be like, that's not a lot of gold, but a lot of gold remains inside of all these chips you can't see, especially in this guy here. Usually the removable sockets are gonna have a lot of gold for them for sure. I don't get rid of them, we keep them all and we put them through our process. And for all what else do we got here? We got the MLCCs. Yeah, a lot of people keep them. Sometimes they have some precious metals in them, sometimes they don't, but I tell you what, we put them all in the same process and do it all inside of a batch. And we're gonna get down on these LEDs. Let's check this out. I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna have a hard time hearing me, but if you look right there, it looks like it's it's gonna have a little bit of gold inside of there. That's right. So we don't get rid of them. We don't throw them away. We collect them up. If you guys have checked out other videos, you'll see actual gold bond wires inside of those older LEDs. They're absolutely worth their weight in gold. I know it's a pun, but hey, I tell you what, a lot of people don't realize it, that there's so much gold to be had. And now we don't talk a lot about silver recently. We've talked a lot about gold, but these guys will have the potential to have some silver inside of them, especially more vintage material. And this board still has things to be given. That's right, it's still giving things. There's going to be more pins inside of here, and we're going to crack that guy off and get those pins out of there as well. But I tell you what, this is your money shot right here. That's those pins. That's what you're looking for. That's what gets people enticed. That's what gets you heading over to the channel. That's what gets you hitting that subscribe button and checking out and hanging out with us for a few minutes a day, because then it's going to get you through the door and into that material right there. And when you get into that material right there is when you guys are going to understand why Scrooge gets so excited about a bunch of free material. That's right. And when you guys get this stuff for free, it's amazing. This board is still giving. I don't even know what to say. I didn't realize there was going to be a bottom on this board. So we're just going to crack her open on camera, because holy buckets, I had no idea there was going to be a bottom board. I thought we were going to flip it over and there was going to be like a chip underneath of there. But you know, some of the stuff I've been coming across is just really surprising, especially those cell phones. Hey, if you guys haven't seen those cell phones, go check them out, because they have proven they have a lot of gold inside of them. So you're going to have, let's get down here, you're going to have some more chips, and those are going to have some more gold bond wires. You have some pretty beefy MLCCs there, and you're going to have some gold pins inside that connector. Yep, if you can look inside there, it's gold. It exists, and we find it for free. So there's still material to be had from this board. It's just giving and giving. And now I don't know about this card. I don't know much about this card, so we're going to get on in there. I'm sure a lot of people know about it, and hey, it's made by my neighbors in Canada. Hey, I know a few YouTubers that are in there. So what is this gonna have? Well, I think in the center of the screen here is going to be some form of a copper transformer. It's going to have a little copper in there, and I think this guy is going to have some silver. It's a disc capacitor, and these are glass, and they may have the potential to have a little bit of gold in there. It looks like this is actually wound with copper. Correct me if I'm wrong, and leave a comment down below to help me learn better. We have another silver crystal oscillator right here. We have some more of those flat packs we were just talking about, and there's still some more chips right here. And again, this is going to correspond with some more gold pins right inside of here that match the other board down there. And then I went to go throw this out, not thinking, of course you should always pay attention, because look, there is more free gold in those connectors. That's right. So we're going to put our gold pins in here, and we're just going to collect them up. Okay, so we took the IC chip from that socket down there, and if you guys want to really know what's inside of one of your chips, just go and give her a little clip and check it out, so you guys can get up in there and see exactly what's going on, because that's going to tell you exactly what's happening inside of there, and you'll be able to see if there's gold or not. And yeah, you can see the gold flashing on there. I know it's not, there it goes, it's focusing. So yes, this is going to have gold all inside of there, so we definitely don't get rid of those. That's why we keep these guys, is because there's gold flashing on all sorts of chips just like that. And here's an even better look at an IC chip that I found out of a computer mouse. That's right, if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. But that's a gold leg IC chip. And I tell you what, that's what all those chips kind of look like inside of there. So yes, there is gold, and it exists inside of those chips. Just because you don't see them doesn't mean it's not there. So is it worth taking apart a piece of old technology nobody wanted? Absolutely. If you guys look down there, that's going to be some free gold pins. They exist and they're there. And we also got some silver crystal oscillators. You guys got to explore a socketed IC chip and see that it does have some gold inside there. This pin, or this connector right here, is going to be a horse of a different color. Those right there are a little different from pins, but hey, I'm going to throw them in with my IC chip process, and we're going to experiment and see what we're going to do about that this spring. So I tell you guys what, if you're wondering about this land card, that's right, we're going to have this land card in its own little episode back to back with this one. So if you guys are learning anything new, or you like hanging out, hey, hit that subscribe button, check it out, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and then you guys can be notified of every day we put up videos for you guys. For my subscribers, thanks a lot for hanging out with me today, and for my wife, I love you, and for my kids, go wash your face.